Eddie the Elephant's Adventure. Eddie the Elephant's Adventure. Meet Eddie the Elephant. Eddie has big, floppy ears. Today, Eddie is going on an adventure to find friends that start with the letter E, just like his name. Let's explore, he trumpets loudly. First, Eddie looks up at a tall tree. He spots a tiny egg resting in a nest. It is smooth, white, and round. You start with E, Eddie whispers, so he doesn't wake the bird inside. Suddenly, a giant bird with long legs runs past. It is an emu. The emu is very fast and has fuzzy feathers. Eddie waves his trunk and says, "Hello, emu. You start with the letter E, too." Eddie feels a little tired, so he takes the elevator in a tall building. He pushes the button and goes up, up. He loves how the elevator starts with E and gives him a fun ride. At the top, Eddie looks at the ground. He sees a little earthworm wiggling in the dirt. The worm is pink and stretchy. "Hi, little earthworm." Eddie says, "We both have E names." Next, Eddie sees a person opening an envelope. Inside is a special letter. Eddie learns that an envelope carries mail to friends far away. He thinks the letter E is everywhere today. Eddie looks at his own body and touches his elbow. Did you know you have an elbow too? It helps your arm bend. Eddie laughs because elbow is such a funny, bouncy E word to say. In a bright green field, Eddie meets an elf wearing a pointy hat. The elf is very small and likes to play hide and seek. "Found you," cries Eddie. "You are an elf that starts with E." Oh, look. A big engine pulls a long train down the tracks. Choo-choo. The engine is strong and loud. Eddie watches the wheels spin and knows that engine is a very powerful E word. Next, Eddie finds a blue eggplant growing in a garden. It is shiny and purple. Eddie doesn't eat it, but he thinks it is a beautiful vegetable that starts with his favorite letter. As the sun sets, Eddie sees an eagle flying high in the sky. The eagle has big wings and sharp eyes. It soars through the clouds, showing Eddie how grand the letter E can be. What a busy day. Eddie the elephant found an egg, emu, elevator, earthworm, envelope, elbow, elf, engine, eggplant, and an eagle. The letter E is everywhere. What E is for? E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for emu. E is for elevator. E is for earthworm. E is for envelope. E is for elbow. E is for elf. E is for engine. E is for eggplant. E is for eagle. Please say again what D is for. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Kids Love Nature.